Well, hey friends, today I wanted to share with you a recipe for the before and after spray. So there's some on the market called Purification. This is our version, DIY. So you're going to take a 2-ounce bottle, and you can get these on Amazon, pretty blue, or you can get the amber color too. We're going to use that one for something else later. So I'm going to start with Purification, and I'm going to put 7 drops into my bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got 7 drops of Purification. I want 5 drops of Thieves. And this stuff works good. You're supposed to spray it before into the toilet so that it encompasses anything that goes in there. So you can take this with you when you go out somewhere. So if, you expect to have to do something like that, yeah, got your aroma covered, should we say. 2 drops of lemon now. Okay, and I am going to use a tablespoon of witch hazel, and I'm just gonna guesstimate that. And then I'm just going to fill the bottle with distilled water. We always use distilled water for our mixes just to keep it clean. So I don't want to hold over my computer because I already lost one this year to somebody knocking wine over on my work computer. So okay, now I just put the top on, and before you use it each time, you shake it, baby, shake it, shake it. And I already made some little stickers that I'm going to stick on my bottle. These are kind of stiff, so I'm going to have to put some tape over that just to hold it down. And I'm going to use strap and tape just to cover the whole thing, so if it ever gets wet, it's not going to run on the ink. You can do your own professional labels if you like. I'm not doing that anymore. But yeah. So there you go. That's the before and after spray. Keep that in your bathroom or in your purse or whatever if you've got to go somewhere. There you have it. Live well, y'all.